Racing Jazz is started with Eckle Cake break quickly at the start. In between horses, Jazz Gold Heart running by the release Jan Slasher. Native American is racing in fourth, and in fifth comes Pyramid of Giza, while Humble Heart is the early trailer by about 6 lengths of the leader. Half-mile distance they traveled with Just Gold Heart. Now takes command, moving up down on the inside is Native American. Eckle Cake is racing in third. Jan Slasher, Humble Heart also moving up, while Pyramid of Giza is still racing in last. And they are now entering the home stretch. 2 runners now fighting out for lead. Just Gold Heart, Native American is running by the Eckle Cake. Humble Heart comes next as they swing for home. We have Just Gold Heart. Native American is down on the inside. Humble Heart now moving up on the outside. Just Gold Heart. Humble Heart is on the outside, but it's still Just Gold Heart, followed by Humble Heart, Native American, and finally it's Just Gold Heart, Humble Heart, then comes Native American, Eckle Cake, Pyramid of Giza.
Okay. Second choice, bettings ni na si numero 2, Just Gold Heart. It's too